Let me say a word about the National Insurance Fund. The fund was established by the Most Honorable Portia Simpson Miller. I was there with her as Minister of State when it was established. Very good move, one of the most effective things that we have had done in the ministry since the establishment of NIS by Mr. Newland. Its mandate was to manage the NIS contribution of these people in an effective way to ensure sustainability of the fund. That was the mandate of the NIF. The recent reports of corruption at the NIF, which involves board members, gives the opposition some cause for concern. Serious cause for concern. The country has not heard a word from the minister or the government on this reported $600 million fraud. MOCA is investigating. The NIF needs a good board of people experienced in pension fund management, experienced in how to use money and invest. It also needs an honest board, not a board which is just seeking to give financial support to companies and individuals who are genetically connected to the Jamaica Labour Party. Who are genetically connected to the Jamaica Labour Party. I trust...
Mr. Speaker, on a point of order, the member cannot make a statement that members of the board are genetically connected to the Labour Party without substantiating that claim. He should withdraw it.
Mr. Speaker, I withdraw it. I withdraw it. I think everybody knows that I think you all know that I'm a very nice guy. I think you know I'm a very nice guy. But I see we're one company, I'm a nice guy. You all know that. I withdraw.
1 minute, Mr. Dalley, 1 minute, Mr. Dalley.
I withdraw.
1 minute. Yeah. Let's have some order, please. Let's have some order, please. Mr. Dalley, you respond to the minister.
Yes. May I withdraw. I think, Mr. Speaker, I trust that MOCA put it up back for me. MOCA who is in there. I hope that MOCA will speedily conclude its investigation in the alleged fraud at the NI Fund and let the chips fall where they may. Let the chips fall where they may. Mr. Speaker,